Hey guys, welcome to WrapPixel. In this tutorial, you will get a comprehensive guide on the installation and customization of the admin template that you have recently downloaded onto your local system. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll be using one of the templates from WrapPixel. The process remains applicable to all the other templates as well. So now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the tutorial.
Hi, in this video, we will see how you can download and install the Spike Admin Dashboard, which is built on one of the most popular framework, Beautify, on your local system, and then how you can deploy it and use it on your own project. So this is Spike Admin Dashboard, and it has amazing 2D dashboard variations, forms, charts, etc. As you can see here, and it has different modes like dark mode, different color themes, and you will get many options. So let's see how you can manipulate it and use it on your own project. So once you download and extract the zip file, you will get these three main folders. The first one is the documentation, the second one is Figma, and the third one is packages. Inside the Figma, you will get the Figma link. If you want to check the designs of the dashboard, then you can go to this link. Inside packages, we have two main folders. The first one is main, which has all the main files. And then we also have one starter kit, which has all the basic files. And inside documentation, we have one main index file. If you'll open it, you will get the documentation. It will open on your default web browser. So this is the introduction part in which we have a little bit of about the Spike admin. And in order to use it, you should have the knowledge of Vue, Axios, CSS, and HTML. And this is for the support ticket. So let's go and check about the package structure basically. So this is the package structure. Inside the main, we have all the main files. We also have some few more APIs. Like I said, we are using Axios. And inside assets, we have the SCSS files. Inside components, we have the main UI files. And since we have two layouts, the blank one and the default, inside pages, we have separate UI files. And inside public folder, we have images. Inside router, the routing files. And the main store. And these are the basic Nuxt files, right? So let's go ahead and see how you can quickly start the project. To start the project, your local system should have NodeJs and NPM installed. And if you want to check if the NodeJs and NPM installed or not, then you just have to go to the command prompt, click on it, type node-v to check the node version. My system has version 21.1, and to check NPM version, you just have to check npm -v. It has 10.2. The recommendation is Node.js should be 14 plus and the NPM JS version should be 6 plus. So I have both the versions. If you are getting any errors, then you can go to the official website of Node.js and NPM.js, and then you can directly install that in your local system. This is from here you can install the Node.js. So this is basically 20.12 is the most stable one, and you can directly install from here. Same with the NPM. Once you install both the packages, you just have to start the project. Like I said, we have our main files inside the package main. These are the main files. You just have to open this on your default or the code editor. So I have opened all the main folder inside my VS Code. The next step is you to go to the terminal and then install the node package modules. And to install the node package modules, you just have to type npm space I. I once node modules have been installed, you will see here that you will get a new folder by the name of node underscore modules. Then you just have to start the project by typing npm run dev. And the project will start on localhost 3000. As you can see here, you just have to press control and click on it, and the project will start on localhost 3000. As you can see, our project has been started. And from here, you can check the live preview by clicking here. And it will open on the netlify.app. This is basically the live application. And you can also go to the documentation and to the support ticket. You can have a look at the inbuilt applications in this project. Right, so in order to customize it, you just have to go to login, click on login, and then it will open the authorization page. So click on the login button. You will get this page, and you just have to click on sign in.
So our project has been started. This is dashboard 1, as you can see here, and this is dashboard number 2, and we have all the remaining applications on the left side of the UI. So let's go back and check the documentation. npm run build is the command that you have to use to build it if you want to deploy the project on your server. So let's go and check how you can customize the project. So first we have colors. As you can see, we have various color themes. Right now we have 6, and you can use any of the color theme. But if you want to make changes in the colors, then you just have to go to theme/lighttheme.ts, and we will be using since we have two themes, dark theme and light theme, then you have to make changes in both the files. So let's go and check ahead how we can actually change the theme color. Inside theme we have light theme, right? So this one is the primary one, and this is for the blue theme. Let's go and change this one to black. So I've changed this primary color to black. Let's go back and check if the color has been changed to black or not. So as you can see, the primary theme color has been changed to black. So this is how you can change the colors. Right now I've changed for the light theme. Same way you can change for the dark theme too. And we have, since we have 6 themes, color themes, so this is for the blue theme. Same goes with aqua theme and purple. We have green, orange. So these are the themes we are using. You can make a new one or you can change these two, right? Let's go back to the documentation and check for the typography. We are using the Jakarta fonts. So if you want to change it, then we need to go to style.css, which is inside assets folder, inside scss. Okay, style. This one is the main file. As you can see, we have the Google API URL here. So you just need to paste the new URL inside this, and then you have to change inside body-font-family, which is inside assets.scss and underscore variables. So this is the file. here we have this one. You just need to change these two files, make changes into these two files, and your font family will be changed. For icons, we are using tableticons.io, so it's quite simple. The library is already installed, so you just have to import the icon name from view tabular icons, and you can search the icon name uh, in the official documentation or on the official site. This is the official site. Here you can search for the icon, and you just need to go and import like this, and you can also describe the size accordingly. So let's go ahead and see how you can actually customize the theme, which is basically this one. Right now we have default sidebar layout, it's vertical. We can make it horizontal as well, like this. The main menu will go horizontal. The default theme color is light blue, and we have many other options. So let's go and check how you can make changes in these options. So it's one of the main files, config.ts, and config.ts, it's okay. This one is the file, and this is for the TypeScript part, so we don't have to make changes in prop types. So currently the tag theme is blue underscore theme, which we can change to, let's change the default theme to purple theme. Let's save the file. See, now the default theme has been changed to purple, as you can see here. So same way you can make changes in config.ts. You can change the things accordingly, and here it is, everything is mentioned here. You can change the sidebar drawer, customizer drawer, mini sidebar, set horizontal layout, set the RTL layout, if you want boxed or not, and you want card with borders or not. So most of them are the boolean value. You just have to make true to false and false to true in order to make changes. This is how you can change the main theme. Now let's check how you can add more pages to the main menu, like this, like dashboard and dashboard 2. So in order to change, so since we have a vertical sidebar and horizontal sidebar, you need to make changes in these two files. So for the vertical sidebar, you need to go to the components, LC, then full vertical sidebar, and then vertical sidebar items dot ts. So let's go ahead and see where is the file. It's inside the components. It's LC full vertical sidebar and sidebar items dot ts. Right. So this one is the file, and as you can see we have the dashboard and dashboard 2. Let's go ahead and copy this and save this. So I've created one more dashboard 2 option. We have one icon. Let's change the background color to warning. Let's see. So dashboard 2 has been added now. If I'll click it on here, as you can see we now have dashboard 2, and this is the route it is using. So you just have to mention the route here and put the main files on this one. Same way you can go to the horizontal file. Let me just show you. It must be inside the horizontal hyphen sidebar and horizontal items. So this is the one. Let me just change this to horizontal and see we only have dashboard and dashboard 2. So we need, since it has children, let's make it dashboard 3 and save the file. So now we have dashboard 3 also. This is how you can add new pages horizontally and vertically. It's pretty easy now. So in order to make changes, you don't have to make changes in many files. You just have to change few files and your project will be ready to be deployed. Right. So this project is also using multi languages. It's basically multilingual. To check, here is the option. So the main menu will be changed into different languages. As you can see here, it's now French, it's now Arabic, and it's now Chinese. So if you want to implement in the whole application, we have different JSON files. Let me show you the JSON files. Inside locals we have these files. So you have to type manually in order to use it, and then to actually import the language, you just have to go to language.view file, which is inside the layout. So this is the file language.dd.view. It's basically inside the components. Then I see full vertical header and language.dd. So here you can implement one more option for your language, and then you can use it accordingly. Right. This project is also using Axios to manage the to fetch data and to send data, to manage basically API calls. Axios is basically a library, so it's pretty simple and it's pretty forward. If you want to use it, you can use it, and if you don't want, then it's according to you. So it's basically, this is how you can manipulate and use the Spike admin dashboard. But if you still have any confusion or if you face any difficulty, then you can go to wrappixel.com/support and you can raise a ticket, and we will be more than happy to solve your query as soon as possible. So thank you.